Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on AGH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Abusianfo, good evening. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Abusianfo, good evening. We patrol way a quick answer. I weigh a quick answer. Me cry my phone says na it could be a net 2 TV. And I may say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. I can't send be a me person me babonte na me be clarify. But your way a quick answer. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ete net 2 TV says di matem can't say ma minim hoshe. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Mr. Me pacho. I am not blackmailing anybody. I am not blackmailing anybody. Please, I am not blackmailing anybody. What is all this? Adena sebe mpenifu amu betimi aye me papa. Mo temte me sa. What is all this? Dia ya di mini me madudu a di mini omo di mini mi chele wote na wo kan. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, me interview bi am come life story o. Me free baby na ma pie baby o. Me free baby na ma be pie baby o. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Enye me fiti ya na me be Tracey Boakye o. E na me podan na me wo. I am not blackmailing anybody. Please. I am not blackmailing anybody. Say next time oye be ma lodi na mahama bonani so. Don't create problem for me. A plus ni me da A plus oye kwata. Ana A plus ni na yobubu. Ana me a virgin. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, me nya virgin o. Menya virgin. I have sex. I go out. I have boyfriends. Why do you go and sit on your TV and insult me? Why? Obia a video. Go and take your baby. I'm coming. Put this in your mouth. I'm coming. Okay. Obia a video, and you just judge by the video and say all sort of things to me. Sit on your TV. I crack it to me. TV. So I know if I respond to you, people will bring info to you. I don't care. Kennedy Agyapong, me a virgin. I am not a virgin. I date. Of course, me dating me a relationship. But why do you sit on your TV and insult me? I didn't know who did matem. Say stupid girl na chelewate. And so what? After all, chelewate na mission. I am not like this today. By God's grace. You listen to one side of a story, come and sit on your TV and insult me. As in say me your classmate and you are a big man. I don't respect him, mommy and continue to respect him. Why? I don't respect him, mommy and continue. Now you respect him. Do you even have to have time for me? Me, oh yeah, I'm about to say me. Kennedy Agyapong, you don't have to have time for me. I'm a little girl. Me ya crack it to her. I am one of your daughters. You don't have to have me whole time to come and sit on TV and respond to me. What is the meaning of all this insult you are throwing at me? I am not blackmailing anybody. I am not blackmailing anybody. If you were man blackmail you be na me nya now be obe na no say me blackmail you be na me nya no. Me de ni sama ni manyame. Me pese me bodua. Me pese me bodua na me fancy boafu me biem because already no dia me ya me guso me pa ho chew. Enti me pese me misbehave biem. Please leave me out of your issue. I am not a virgin. I am not married. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, me worry you. And to say me 1,000 in me ada, me body. I am not shy of it. Am I still the Tracey Boakye you think you knew me? At least I've made good use of a DNA. So please, whatever A plus told you, maintain free A plus, but you can believe it. Leave me alone. Kennedy Agyapong, leave me alone. What is the meaning of I'm blackmailing somebody? My blackmailing of young Tofio or Lakeside. My blackmailing of young Tofio or East Legonamami. Really? Do you think that is how I am? Is it because I've been quiet over this whole issue? Do you think that is how I am? If you are doing your politics, I want to know who did the NDC for attend that? What the NDC for a problem that? Leave my name out of it. You may do free move. Please. The next thing you will do is say, you have new information, God knows, me. I don't John Mama. Stop, enough is enough. Stop giving my boyfriend respect. Me kasa ya no because me need for NDC. It's me person me responded to BBR. Me wo audio ni me wo video. Obi so wa ofamra. Me da obi a so video. Any audio say me Tracey Boakye. Me dey blackmail president no. Ofam Brabantine. What are they waiting for? Dear Dre obi bi enti confirm ai. Dear Andrew, Obi Bia, after the Emmy can say, why do you listen to some story and just come and sit on your TV station and insult me? Why? You just listen to something, go and sit on net too and insult me? Say me blackmail President Mahama. Say Nyanko Power Shohono on Daya. He should strike all of us. The other try to me soon, Mrs. Angr, crowd boma. Say Papa was Shoha. Why? I don't know what do I say over ever see me so. Am I your classmate? I'm your daughter. Do you have to even have me whole time to go and sit on net too? Nyangwa Wednesday, Opa, for documents are dear Mabra, and memo money me that I don't care. I am not a virgin, and I did me no me man for so. Me were 29 years. I am proud of whatever I have achieved and the mistakes I've made in my life. I am proud. I am a dresser who can say, Edime, Michelle what a bombeto, and Yamia me a free moon. A command Diobia pain, Obia was story pain. So please, leave me out of your issue. Leave me out. Nigel Gaze, who many Nigel Gaze in on another? Nigel Gaze, why your pata? Please, leave my issue. I beg you. When will end this your problem, Nada? Jaja, who you know? Any Lord in Mama, Mama Lord in Mama, show us soon. What have I done? Maya Day. What is all this? Now my boyfriend to home, me relationship. Me I am moving on with my life. Then you go and sit on your TV station to create problem for me? What is this? Aden, because say enemy akasa say mama nkasa bia mu no, and nothing che say, me make Agyapong continue the TV so I did my time. I can all sort of things to me. Why? Aden. Said your mama Jino no for your person or the baby or the baby also the obedient beba. There is nothing there for obedient. There is no audio, there is no video. I don't have anything to do with the former president. Enough is enough. I don't have anything to do with him. Aden. Uhe shani ma ne hina said your mama. Me benshra ne hina said your mama. Aden. You are creating problems for me. Stop it. Aden. I try to ignore, but the way you are going too far with my issue. What is it? Oh no, Tracey Boakye ni chele bonnet to. Ofi ya na beye kene Agyapong. Ofi ti ya na nyamishra wo. Obia was story in life. Everybody has a story in life. And I am proud of who I am today. I am proud of who I am today. Same blackmailia, Nyankopon, ma won shrabi biem. Same blackmailia. Now catch me say baby, papa no baby John Mama di me frebe do say me ya me sa. Ada ya sisa na me tie. I don't have anything to do with President Mama. Please. I don't have anything. Is it because of Bibi Ekoso na ma edi na? Because I've been advised to keep quiet. Enough is enough. Ukumi na wunyame nkumi biem. Bopani emekume. Ukumi na. Ubesa benyame ekumi ochena. Ena che uti so awu didi matem sa no. Why? Aden. Uyem ba to say me ade na wo je free me ho. Leave my issue. Agyapong, leave my issue. Obia want the problem. Don't leave yours and come and talk about me. Leave my issue, please. Aden. And I'm telling bomb it talk. What does show on TV? It's not my life, no. Sako from the topic, Nebra. You are still on TV. Go and bring my topic back. And I'm telling bomb it to Tracey Boakye. Now free Kumasi. Me free Kumasi. I'm not playing Agyapong. Now I'm not done form. And I'm a stress ready. Madam, your breath said that be also your breath on me, your breath for Busa be on me. Busa be on me, Santua from Angr, me your breath. But I'm not just me from Penasua, obey me free. I make good use of empanametry. Me your breath for, but over my life, when I'm using me was catch up. I'm not because I'm dating you. That is me. Me blackmail your mama, said your mama, why am I dying? I don't know, Mama Papa ain't having a peace of mind. No one in the campaign. Well, put this on her mouth. I'm coming, okay?
I learned how to carry her.
No, don't carry her. Just put it on my mouth. I'm coming, okay?
I'm not sure how I carry her.
Don't carry her.
Fine.
Good boy. Obi oni mi bia nim how I me ye brefo. Me pa chaw. Me metina wo TV so cancer ma wonim ho hwe. Because you think you have high security, you are Agyapong, whatever. Please. Send me steady crampa me ma wo ho. No matter how rich you are, you don't feed me. You don't feed me. Aya mama nkra mu ade. Aya mama nkra nketwa emu ade na mo ha adwen. Aya mama nkra nketwa mu ade na nya obi na aka na asem obeka na no ato ma hwe wo. Anya obi na ahya space. Ebetina TV so kana asem a obeka wa no ato ma hwe obi no ye chen. Obi no ye chen wo. Me tis lebo me wa hanu say some people are me. Na se wo come wie biem na ade achi na besa benya me funu asa akuni biem a aden why do you say things you have no idea about? Video chrono, what is he waiting for? Audio chrono, what is he waiting for? Bring it out. Bring it out. Na mami lodi na tini baby dia wo ye e dey adwe na wo de hye mami ni tirim about me. E dey adwe na wo de hye mami ni tirim about me. Wa bra me ni ho hwe. Minim asema wo kan. Minim ho hwe. I have video, I have audio. Jama wo de ba ma ne famra. Share, please oh. Mani so afia so asnega na o ma ayo omoso no. Don't bring it to me. E fa ma me so because me de obeka ni si yedi me. Me so de yedi me no ma make good use of it. I have made good use of a dear yedi me. Agyapong. Me fa me trying to show. Me fans, me are very sorry, but this issue I'll not keep quiet. Agyapong, Tracey Boakye me channel, me fan to show. I am a dasha walker, no to me car say, me free Kumase, me partner left side, my partner is Legon, at least one who say my yebi. Before me 30 years, no, I say yebiaka home. No, my sign I yebiaka home. Said the offer girl, Uchiano, Sana Penny will be so family or shame. Leave John Mohammed Slim out. So what's the investigation? Now the Biauka documents I do go a man for any Masiako family, Diabra. Kwanako family, Diabra. Who can we have an age army? And I feel so woman in Massey. Who feels so woman in Massey? Me patch me down to me woman in Massey because I know be your enemy. I am not under anybody. What's in that too? Kwasha or I say, who feels a Siana Basha media. Me chow say, I can see a kind one. Yes, yet to meet a crowd. Ya kasa ye kan ye hu bo Ghana ha. Yes, yet to meet a crowd. Yet to meet attention nibi. E hu na ehia. Obia ya my dear. My baba thing, my beka sorry. The moment you just put it on me because say as some way I've decided not to talk about it. Me say me nkasa. Me wo audio, me wo video nka Nyankopon ko ntua me ka. Say me wo audio, me wo video, me de blackmail John Mahama say John Mahama wa toma ade no ntua ya na. Papa no, e dey no my why me? Ah me blackmailing no, that is my question. Ade nti me nsuanya me. Me will obey new videos a day I'm can want some we I will hold no mind to come in dump and commit to me ada. Ada you see me more Diana and I see me stronya me. Is it because I've been quiet? Me tell what about me too. Anya she, me tell what about me too and Yankopon dim put you about my life. God has blessed me. And na anya she kra no me nje wo honi. Me nje wo honom endi. Na to mo change channel no mo change topic no mo san famra me so. Mo san famra me so. Say Tracey Boakye we share. Bra obetimi a wo mintie na me de down because you can be my father. Ebi when you tell me papa onye 60 years. Please. Me pa cho yo buma mo me mumo. You are somebody I respected. Please. Yo bumu a muma yo bumo. Agyapong me count. Me count. Don't come and create problem for me. And you protect a woman. Don't create problem for me. And you protect a woman. Na sebe NDC for mo text me, mo from me, mo threaten me for back no come the messages at to screen so. Mini shake 2016 na me ba 1 year. Me took car na man for dimechi. Am for be gina me wo so ne ye be me come because me ye kumase ni. Ubuso obi a watonso a. O meka che say NPP for meeting. Me fie ne ye no. Me na fie watonso. Me na NPP for hu say. Na me call NDC meeting. Na say na NDC for say ye twa ntwa to me so. Enti omo sumpo na wo se ko support me no. Omo send me text message a. Me se me jai bibia me nyame. Na say ki ekumia, me hye se me ba kokunku bra. Eso na mi su no, enye ka Agyapong di attempt na mi su. Eya wa makoma mu, e ma me party for nti na mi su. Enye wo didi atam no nti na mi su. Na bra me de me kwa to so ma NDC. Kumasi ni ba. Papa ya friend say go, Kofi Juma. Just a man go di fie sem me twa mo Kofi Juma na o de ho ama me. Nna metimi akọ Kofi Juma fie. I left these people for you NDC. Me jai Kumasi for ebedi mochi. And I must say they are more threatening me. Mini sheka. Nessa papa we was so hard. Me see akatia me deserve you for me na akatia obia ne ho adwe boni woni tim so no. On for no. 2016 ye hunu me mo fra me. Mo fra me. Aka cha me say Tracey Boakye ne hunu now. Did you call me? And then they must say me blackmail obi. Na video call na way. Audio no away. Agyapong asema woni memeka bi. Asema woni memeka bi to obi na ho na ka bone kuno bu ha na owuka. Yes wa anyade ohwe anye no. Eye bone ne ntwa e twa to nipa so. Agyapong stay out of my problems. Stay out. Sani chele bi o hihye na Tracey Boakye we share. Bra, you don't feed me. You don't feed me. You don't feed me. Ewi asenya wo dia. Udi obia tem, obia so because of the information beba. Watch it. Kwanje me who information never bra. Some catch we asesa me a virgin. And to kwaje information na kire me a virgin no. Fabra. After all you di me no mama asesa. Ye di me ne me die na wo feel say wo gu mani ma se no. Mama asesa o nyame ehia me. Nyankopon wa hira me. Wo was ka dan makrampa. You don't feed me. Me share with aminimo. And mommy did to say gata suni bi. Please. And mommy did to say the whole we are next level. We deny our baby fato. Please. What is that? Aden. Me wa audio, me wa video. Wa me audio, wa me video. Say, don't mama jam no fan command the man or the manner mesumede the other man the beba. You are wrong. All information where you have failed. I don't have any audio and any video about anybody. President Mahama, minini ni sheye, minini video, minini audio, minini Jimmy for video. No, so no be anko dem a business why recording the video. So obi nya wo mpena. Na one ne kwa dem a business why recording the video. Eti jo mama onya me mpena no se na manya the video. That is my question. Plano, a best man video, a best man audio. Aden. Asama ya kan anu atumunti, wakotina na tu wash shirt, wash space. Meeting our joy button our sakofia kwado. Why you not putting it in the mouth?
Because they're shooting that way.
Ah, okay, I won't shout again. Why? Go and take care of it, I'm coming. Call him with my phone, hurry up.
What's phone?
My phone never on, for friend.
But it doesn't.
Fabra na me view.
Okay, that.
Kwaje me ho paper. Docket ma. Never better na so Wednesday nya me boa ne kasa. Kwaje me ho documents, the ones you think you have. And I'll be on a foolish girl. And I'll Aden. Oh, it's already opened.
Oh yes, I was just watching video with she the whole time. Because he's my best friend. Best sister.
That's it. Call him and tell him you're waiting for him. Foolish girl. Uchele ta or talk for na initial now. And I only nam Kumase, and I plus D1 A plus, and I disgrace, Anna. And why I dang A plus in your bada, Nessa Wabe catch the wa, a achievement, Anna, oh, go me many masses, me there, and I make an no be iron you. A dear and yanning was you. Why should I can't? A dear and yanning was you. So be ye me one dear, no be me koda, and no bet me idea wo ye no. Ne plus in the koda and call be blackmailing, me jime yame. A plus ni me koda and can make up blackmailing. And T plus I found my men and my conyo before for wash me no. And no I said ye. And no, I said ding, a ding. Okay, no, why a ding? What good Tracey Boakye mass and I watch him in Quanaso. What a man Quanaswana? Why a ding? A dear no achieving what you said. Foolish girl, Lydian dear, wouldn't me, minimum. What is all this? Ye now not the bearded your beatem. Ye now ye can't wash mamma for no pa. Ye now not your beatem. Me pacho. Mini obiani, mini President Mahama Nishe ye. Mini obia audio, mini obia video. I am not blackmailing anybody. I am not blackmailing anybody. Nyame bet share meka if I blackmail anybody because nipa no onye me hwe. I don't have problem with the former president. I beg you. I respect that man so much. Me papa na sem, I respect him. And someone more can meet me to be na me sheme. But na my minute because you say ma me nkasa biem. To the extent say, who got now TV so didi matem. Said the baby be money from a foolish girl me na si chele. Share. Me na si chele kra Nyankopon asesa me hyebre. Me na si chele Agyapong Nyankopon wasesa me hyebre. Chele no nyame yimi afiri mu. Se Nyankopon ba wo ba wiase na dollars go ho me boa. E na wo de aye saa na wo de anyini. Enti wo de sika wo ho saa. Enka ho. Me pa cho me firi ba bi na be pie ba bi. Me na me pe na aba ne saa wo. Me pono time I will come asem no me na me pe na me ma ne ba ne saa wo. Me na maso den and ye de me tu kwan me se me ntina better na ga no. Because this is how I want my life. This is how I want my life. My friend will be south chop money da. Minim wo. Many way a whole da. Minim wo. I've not seen you before. You just come and sit on your TV and insult me. For what? Because you and some more cost on social media. What's your one side? And kapeni moon sebe. Katia the other side is also nkajeje. You just listen to something. You just come and sit on your TV and insult me. I said I'm your classmate. I said me no na politics. I crack it to a number how bit me I won't know. I didn't know how me whole time ago. I didn't know how dream me. What dream me who I call you me whole story you know. Really? Me pacho, please, I'm making this clear. Me blackmail obia. Se me jina kwa hu na nye start to me fear e me life. Dia me pe na me de me body no eye. Dia me pe e na me de me body we no eye. Misha papa texting me log off please. Adeng. What is it? Has she stopped crying? She's asleep, okay. Thank you, I'm coming. Matty, I'm going off. Please, I came here to make things clear. I am not blackmailing anybody. Mebano papa, I have decided to keep my relationship private. And you will be pressure. And you will be kokokotana TV edidi matem. And abema me de me private life about bonting. I have decided to keep my private life to myself. You can give my baby to whoever. And when you ngwase. Ye de nyame ase, mebano me call off, I'm going off. Mebano onye bastard. She has a father and a very responsible father. Leave Agyapong and this one problem. Deal with it. And family mefra. Opejo, and the opejo mama, so open mama said, it's me now, me very cheap here. Me pacho, leave me out of it. Leave me out of it. Leave me out. I know how dirty you can go. If you are sure as nigga see so koko you said it. Leave me out. If you are going to be a when you kakra, me yoba. Leave me out. Leave me out. And remember when me aden you na fa listing, bro. Omo nyina ka chom so omo hu me omo timi hwe me tutu. Omo hu me abuso so omo timi hwe me. They are super proud of me because nyame adom omo ja me no. I have moved on. My ex-boy ben so always catch me. My ex-boy ben so why ye che me. Nyame nti me nkofom bi mu da because adwen papa wo mitim. Me dwen nipa ho adwen bone. Bema ben no se oni me dating post oni ma dating ampa. A oni me agya ya me ya santo a wo hu me a makofom. Me si nyame nti me nya mo boda me nkofom da. Enti nyame bo a Wednesday metwen. Fa wo list bra de obeba be kan no no. Dia wo ya no no. Omo ma di amanfo na ade ba. Nigel na yesofo me nya sofo. Me sister list no de bana bin kan kra me a me de aka be kan ho no. Edie. Nya bema papa no ndu ne hwe ne de. Edie ye den. What is that? Mom friend me no. Or TV so did my time. Didn't you see it? I did attempt from home. The problem Agyapong is trying to create between me and the President Mahama and the Please. Me blackmail obia. I have not blackmailed anybody. I have not blackmailed anybody. Me fa video ni audio command dem man video ben audio ben e wa hen. The ensemi akwa akodri video ni audio bi wo ho na e maaye. The ensemi akwa akodri. Ana na munya papa no ma ne campaign. Aden ana munjai papa no me no obi anya ntokwa na me se papa no a aden ti na mo kofa president Muhammad ya be hye ho aden na mo ka mo yesa because papa no mo kana won kasa enti obi a pese obi asam to papa ne so aden because the man will not come and talk bibia na mo de kwhye no mo fa ne picture creative art for nyina wo ho amene papa e twa ye nyina makofa beto mo go papa na ni ma ase aden. Why? To the extent of going on TV to insult me, say me tell you what any day. Why? Can't I come and do what I'm that? My bow didn't put that. Instead of also unya me whole time cut now with TV so did my time. Why? Oh yeah, me now come on want to. Obi to was party Tracey or video Tracey or audio. Me phone here. Obi am from my phones and share some more video ni audio. Now video crown of them person me can say. Obi nya won pena. Esi na kodem akonya video. Obi nya won pena. Bese na won na de odo ho nkoma record no. Na busa say me the video ba bonti sesi ana. Menya de. Empo se video wo ho ampa. Na me de ba. What will I gain? Enti menje me se menya panimu. Se me plan ni obi ampa. Menya panimu a wo hwe me ma no. Na makọ blackmail no. Me de me di nyanso. How she waking up? Oh, sorry. Me da minim nyansa. Say am pampo se me ni pani bi dating now. I will never do that. I will never ever do that. Blackmail for what? What video? What audio? What is this? What audio? For you to sit on your TV and insult me. Obi awadi obi die. Bring a different topic. So we'll throw obi a shower. I'm going off, please. I'm going off. We'll throw obi a shower ni obi a wadi obi ne die. Jai can't fa bibi for bra. Ne die any news wa me life mo. Fa bibi for bra. Any a di me no menya kubolo. Ye di me no menya kubolo. Me di aya de papa. Ye di me no ma moka. Until I list ba, all these people will be proud of me because ye demon no me de ya de papa, ye demon no ma moka. Ni pa drain ho a, una Facebook anu akọ na tu, na ni chele wote bi na hwan. Me chele wote, won share chele wote da. Mo ye mpanifo ni eguma. Mo ma ni sa. You should stop this. Stop it. Nigel the anu e sofo. Albini mo e sofo. And you come on make bio. Me I'm not under anybody. And you be I am not under anybody. I don't lose anything. I don't lose anything. Agyapong men count. So we ye be ma me sister Lodina pa na sum. Ne to pese ma me no dwen san fa me ho. What problem are you creating? O pese ma me no dwen san fa me ho. Na me wa me pena na me di me kotie na mo di show bi sa aden. It's enough. Because President Mahama will not come out and talk. And I mean, so I've been advised to keep quiet. And to the very so, Pian can someone to me so. Actually, be me now, nobody will be able to bomb it to him. Adaya, many will be a minimum no war. May blackmail obi. Adia wuye, how do you want NDC people to think about me? What percent this for? I'm doing same mommy. Some may blackmail you, I'm a flag bearer. Really? Really? Okay. Video call, audio call, Angr Bontio, na me homete. Angr na me home tome. Me say wa me video bia, bring it out. I dare you. Wa audio bia, bring it out. I dare you. Enough is enough. What video? What audio? Away. Baby, I'm saying I can't control video ni audio. Away. Me the me from any from our TV station so. Me from any from our TV station so. You don't feed me. I'm from any from our TV station so. Me from any from our TV station so. Please. Abusia for me call. Young boy Wednesday on for listening mra. Say me twa no me say me a virgin. Me dia me nya virgin o. Me ja me ho bi me yeso me de ja de papa. Me moka. And I said ka wa besre me. Ye do dia no wanya. Aden A+ ne da. A+ ne why die no blackmailing na one first scam. What is that? What is that? Na A+ ni me ada no one first scam me mpa. Wo na wa no so. Wo na baba beka. Wo na ye dia jaw. Wo na baba beka. Na no aye nim gwase e. A+ oye ba fine na. A+ oye ba fine. Ana A+ ne nan twitwa na A+ onye nipa na. Aden. Obi da bia wo na abeka. Ye da ye the camera si ho ana ye record it kire wo. Da bia obi da wo na wote. Because you pay money. But leave me alone. Leave me alone and do your show. Leave me out of your issue.